doing welding for another video I made, and this is what happens when I finish welding jobs. I end up with junk all over my table here, and cutting tools, everything else, usual crap. Ton of vice grips, or should I say locking pliers. Next time I get my welder, I gotta make a hammer holder for my anvil stand that I have over there, but I gotta go back in the drawer. This video isn't about me cleaning my bench. It's actually me showing you. It's just one dumb little video I make. Actually, it's just a crazy dumb little video. I picked up this. I'll show you here. I picked up, and honestly, it's not bad. I bought a pen. It's a True pen, and it's got a little bolt thingy here. See a little bolt. If you like this, nice little bulb pen. The pen end comes out, unscrews, and I'm guessing must use some sort of standard. Nope, probably not. Some type of standard ink. There's a screw thing in here. What the hell that is? Where the hell is that screw into? That's weird. Anyway, there's some type of screw gadget in there. It goes in there. Where you find another ink thing is beyond me, but ink comes out, so I'm sure you can find a replacement. The little bolt thing, I don't know how that goes in there, but oh, and it's probably screwed in also or welded. There's a level in there. I don't know if you can see that little bubble. It's got a thingamabobber, a window punch, and this comes off, and there's a little tiny screwdriver and another little tiny screwdriver in the back, kind of like Leatherman pieces. It's got some rubber piece on here. It doesn't come off. And if you want my honest opinion, this thing's in the wrong spot. You go like this, and you got to find the right place, the right width. It's kind of awkward at first because you're writing with it, and it feels like, see this is flat. Obviously, when it's carpenter pencil. Round ones are kind of not really, like, they're not really these. I don't think anything was intentionally needed for a finger, but it's got a good shape. It's definitely, sturdy. It's not going to break. You can probably, use it as a weapon. I shouldn't say that, but it took me a while. I'm not saying it's a bad pen, and I think my fingers are too fat or just too short and stubby, or it's just the fact that I haven't written in so long. My finger hurts. But my first problem was figuring out where to put this, because every time I went to write, I was hitting it, and then it was like, if you put it on this side, your finger bumps this, and the thing unloads. And then you put it this way or this way, it dug into my finger. So I figured out like this was better writing with it. And it's a damn sturdy pen. They're $14. Do I always buy $14 pens? No. I thought it was cool. I want to see how cool it was, because it's a man thing. We just buy gadgets, and we just want to see what's so cool about it. I'm not sold on like the let's put a screwdriver in every single thing. Like, we don't always need a screwdriver. I prefer a 20-inch blade on here, but just kidding. Like, not everything needs a screwdriver. Plus, it's aluminum. Maybe you could have built the screwdriver into the aluminum. I don't know, whatever. But I don't know. Every single gadget I have comes at a screwdriver. Like a level. Is it how accurate is this? I should find out and get a level. And even the measuring, there's inches on here. So like, maybe it's okay. Maybe okay, it's 2 inches long. There's many things out there. Like a sheet of paper is 8.5 by 11. You want to 8 and fold it in half. You got 4 and 4.25. Fold it like it's everything. I don't know. I have like 14 tape measures. Do I need one on my pen? Maybe. Even Leathermans come with a built-in ruler on it. But then I'm like, if it's an apocalyptic, I wouldn't say this is for the apocalypse, but if you got one of these apocalyptic like tools, do you give a shit how long something is? Like, do you care if it's an inch long? If the world ends, And theoretically, what do you want to use a screwdriver for? I'm going to be probably carrying around one of these suckers for prying shit open, but I don't think this is an end of days screwdriver. It's got, it's not meant to be. Then I haven't figured out, like, does it just stay in here? Like, I guess so. Like, where does it go? I guess it just stays in there. I guess you can say it's a little nut driver too in there. And I think it's magnetic, yeah. I mean, it's good. You want to take your eyeglasses apart or something. But I don't know. I'm not the screwdriver part. It's fine. I'm wondering if the other thing I was wondering is how this stays on. Like, how does it? Is it glued on? Is it screwed on? There's a gasket in there, which is pretty easy to fix. Oh, it's got millimeters to it. You notice that? True Pen 00 whatever. It's not bad. Can't complain. I will say it's well made. I can't complain about the size of it because I don't use a pen much anymore. We're in a little freaking computer gadget. We're all using machines, so my fingers get sore on it. But I can't use that as a gauge if it's any good or not because my fingers get sore no matter what pen I use because I haven't used pens in a while. I thought it was cool though. You want to buy a cool thing? I bought it at Ace Hardware because it's like me. I'm always buying stupid things there. If I see a knife for under $10, I'm like, yeah. I bought a big giant fat blade knife and it was like what, $20. The blade is great, but the knife is just so cheaply made. Like the blade cuts beautiful. I was cutting steak with it and beef and stuff and big and fat and whatever, but it just doesn't. It feels cheap. It just feels like anodized aluminum. It's cool. So with that said, go run out and buy one. I'm not sponsored. I'm not, saying you should buy one. I just thought it was cool. I also put it in here. Ta-da. It's in my shirt. I feel like I'm one of those scientists on the Muppets. It's time to light the lights. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to end the video tonight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I hope you enjoyed this dumb little video I made. Toodles.